How to cook instant noodles like a pro. Dip in water from Mississippi River. Transfer to grandma's steamer. Steam for 10 minutes. Leave it alone. 3 long eggs. Soft scrambled. Green onion. Spam.
Oh no!
Baby bok choy.
Stir fry to soften it up. Instant noodles. Light soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Cilantro. Well mix it with grandma's chopsticks. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending mango sago dessert recipe in China. Sago pearls. Cooking water from Mississippi River for 15 minutes. Simmer for 5 minutes. Take a cold bath right away. Unrotten mango. Unexpired milk. Blend well. Fresh mango cubes. Sago pearls. Coconut milk. Mysterious yellow substance. Dish up. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending pot stickers recipe in China. Edible meat. Salt and chicken bouillon. Ground pepper. Light and dark soy sauce. The big 3. Boiling oil. Well mix it. Garlic chive. Stir well. Gently wrap it up in dumpling wrapper with a less cleaner hand.
Oh no!
Fry on low heat till bottom is brown. Plain flour, cornstarch, clean water, edible oil. Evenly pour it over pot stickers. Simmer for 3 minutes. Dish up. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending vegan cold jelly noodles recipe in China. Leftover cucumber peels. Rinse and drain. Put in the blender. Clean water. Blend well. Pass through a strainer. Transfer to grandma's pot. Water from Mississippi River. Pea starch. Cook on low heat. Continuously stir until it becomes thick and smooth. Pour it into a mold. Let it sit to cool down. Shred with grandma's secret grater. Garlic, green onion, red chili, soy sauce, black vinegar, legal powder, chili oil, cilantro. Well mix it. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending steamed eggplant with garlic sauce recipe in China. Overweight eggplant. Steam for 15 minutes. Make a cut in the middle. Split in half with grandma's forks. Garlic, red chili, boiling oil.
Oh no!
Soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt and evil chicken bouillon. Sugar. Well mix it. Evenly spread over eggplant. Chopped green onion. Unexpired boiling oil. Dish up. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending popcorn chicken recipe in China. Cut chicken breast into equal cubes with your left hand. Scallion and ginger, salt, ground pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, a long egg. Gently give it a Thai massage. Cornstarch, baking powder, plain flour. Well mix it. Evenly coat chicken with mixed flour. Dip in water from Mississippi River. Coat chicken with flour for the second time. Deep fry on low heat until golden brown.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending stir-fried beef with asparagus recipe in China. Cut up asparagus. Thinly sliced beef. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Mixed legal powder. Edible oil. Gently give the Thai massage. Stir fry on low heat until color changes. Garlic cloves. Stir fry till the aroma comes out. Add beef. Blanched asparagus. Stir fry on high heat for 1 minute. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending spicy potato balls recipe in China. Thinly sliced potatoes. Cut in the shreds with your left hand. Steam for 11 minutes. Brutally mash it. Add cornstarch. Knead dough with your single hand. Shape into multiple small balls. Cook on low heat until all is floating. Take a cold bath right away.
Edible meat.
Stir fry till color changes.
The big 3.
Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Chili powder. A little stir fry.
Clean water.
Add potato balls. Stir well.
Salt and evil chicken bouillon.
Thicken broth on high heat. Chopped green onion.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. How to cook egg fried rice like a pro. 3 beaten eggs. Green onion. Make hard scrambled eggs. Carrot and spam. 2-day-old rice. Stir fry on high heat to remove moisture. Salt. Light soy sauce. Baby bok choy. Well mix it on high heat with grandma's spatula. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending Chinese chicken sausage recipe in China. Thinly sliced chicken breast. Cut up animal fat. Transfer to a grinder. Salt.
Sugar.
Ground pepper. Oyster sauce.
Red yeast.
Ginger juice. Grind well. Add liquid starch. Well mix it with grandma's spatula.
Suspicious sausage casing. Oh no!
Brutally fill it up with minced chicken. Tie multiple knots. Poke with grandma's toothpick. Cook on low heat for half an hour. Fry both sides till brown.
Cajun seasoning.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending sweet and sour eggplant recipe in China. Cut up eggplant with your left hand.
2 long eggs.
Gently give it a Thai massage. Evenly coat eggplant with cornstarch. Heat the oil to 150 degrees Celsius. Deep fry on low heat until golden brown.
Leave it alone.
Garlic. Stir fry till the aroma comes out. Ketchup, sugar, soy sauce, vinegar.
Water from Mississippi River.
Stir well. Pour it into pot. Cook till bubbling. Add the eggplant. Toss well on high heat with a single hand. Sprinkle white sesame seeds.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending soy marinated eggs recipe in China. Take out all the eggs in your refrigerator. Add salt. Cook for 5 minutes. Take cold bath right away. Peel with the left hand. Onion, garlic, chopped chili, cilantro, sugar, white sesame, light soy sauce, water from Mississippi River. Well mix it. Soak eggs in it. Let it sit for 3 hours. Done and dusted. Out of this world. How to cook crawfish fire noodles like pro.
Oh no.
Frozen crawfish tails. Blanch for 3 minutes.
Peel with your left hand.
Stir fry minced garlic. Add crawfish. Hot sauce packet. Liquid starch. Thicken broth on high heat. Fully cooked noodles in water from Mississippi River. Top with crawfish tails.
American cheese.
Sprinkle seasoning packet. Stir well with grandma's chopsticks. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending stir-fried vegetables recipe in China. Cut up broccoli. Slice Chinese yam with grandma's crinkle cutter.
Oh no.
Add vinegar in boiling water. Blanch in water from Mississippi River for 2 minutes. Transfer to grandma's pot. Salt.
Evil chicken bouillon.
Broccoli. Stir fry on high heat for 2 minutes.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending stir-fried chicken wings recipe in China. Brutally cut up flats. Cooking wine. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Ground pepper. Give it a Thai massage with your single hand. Fry on low heat till brown. Garlic. A little stir fry. Add chicken wing.
The big three.
Stir well with grandma's spatula. Toss well on high heat with your less cleaner hand.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending garlic chive recipe in China.
Oh no.
Get free garlic chive from grandma's garden. Cut up with your left hand. Salt. Cooking wine. Blanch garlic chive for 31 seconds. Take cold bath right away.
Leave it alone.
Garlic. Stir fry till the aroma comes out. Light soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Salt.
Evil chicken bouillon.
Sugar. Cornstarch.
Water from Mississippi River.
Pour it into pot. Cook on high heat till bubbling. Evenly pour it over garlic chive. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Dig up onions from grandma's garden. Thinly slice with grandma's cleaver. Brutally chop up all the ingredients with your left hand. Crack 2 lonely eggs. Violently beat it with grandma's chopsticks. Pour it over chopped onion. Carrot. Green pepper. Spam. Green onion. Salt. Ground pepper. Plain flour. Well mix it. Spread edible oil. Assemble with your less cleaner hand. Fry both sides on low heat until brown. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending vegan sesame noodles recipe in China. Fully cooked wet noodles in water from Mississippi River.
Leave it alone.
Sesame paste.
Clean water.
Well mix it. Dark soy sauce. Stir well. Garlic. Green onion. Chili flake. White sesame.
Boiling oil.
Salt.
Sugar.
Soy sauce. Black vinegar. Mix it with diluted sesame paste.
Oh no.
Evenly pour it over noodles. Cucumber.
Peanuts.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world.